haven't got
Now
caught
it's
yet.
with electricity.
Yeah, but this is a plant. Oh, almost threw up. More fabulous than so I honestly, yeah, it's great. We're back. Fish is taking forever. Oh, screw it. We'll both get one. Big Back Nick. That's the new nickname. Thanks. Oh, we're actually gonna be. I really like to do making people laugh, bro. That's what I really like to do. I love to make people laugh. So, my parents make close to 100. We're at 5.6K likes. Let's go. Excuse me, haircut. Yeah. And then I've been letting it. Yes, I did get my wrap today. Who's my number one? Mac Miller. Pretty not even on. You know what I mean? Alex D, what's up, dog? What am I even in right now? Excuse me, D.